I am here not to deny any innovation. I am just here to question those unchecked innovations. Yes, definitely DIY, automated insulin delivery system, it is impressive. But we have to know that every powerful inventions always carry a shadow. I agree with her first point that it mimic the pancreatic beta cells. And it is so precised. But in medicine, every precision should come with validation and accountability. A commercial organization, for example, any of the commercial organization, if it fails, there is a manufacturer, there is a legal system, there is a regulator. Any of any one of them can be accountable. But here in this loop system, if it fails, who will be the accountable? The developer, the user, or the software? There is no accountability. So that's why I tell that in medicine, uncertainty is not the innovation, it is danger. So now next, my fellow debater, she told that it reduce the cognitive burden. I am not agree with this. It will not reduce, it will shift the cognitive burden. Why? I agree that diabetes is very exhaustive. Over last 25 years, I faced it myself. It is exhaustive. But this DIY system, it shifts that burden. It will not remove it by all these looping mechanism. Now, with this system, patient have to know the basic coding. They have to troubleshoot at the midnight. They have to update the software. They have to be an engineer with his own body. And treatment gradually increase the mental load. And that's why it you have to be very much tech savvy to integrate this into your daily life. And what in Indian scenario, what you will create? It will create a digital divide. How? One certain group of people who are very much tech savvy, they are taking the full benefit, but another one part they will not. In type 1 diabetes management, what I told you generally, it is very one of the easiest disease to manage, treat medically. Only one drug, no confusion, right? But it is hardest disease on earth to manage it socially. So there, if we have to integrate the technology, we have to create an environment to adapt that first, then we have to push it. Or else what it will do? Only very few benefit from that, those who are tech savvy, and the rest, they are left behind, and they mislead into false confidence. Now, coming to the third point, what my fellow debater told, that it's a real world stability. But the entire system, it runs on Bluetooth, app, cloud, WAS, and many things. And in real world, all those things fail. And there is nobody is accountable where I can put the question. So now, the fourth point, what he was telling, the quality of life. I agree that sleep, sports, everything as much as important as HbA1c. But quality of life is also means quality of life. It also have to that safety, that trust, that security, that data privacy. These are also includes into that quality of life. What I assume. And there is no checkpoint in all those segments, as there is no accountability, nothing is there. So and one more thing which always concern in my mind, like if today, as it is, there is no uh, well documented phase 3 trial, there is no accountability, then what happened? If we normalize this DIY system today, then tomorrow anybody can make a device and tell we can normalize the heart rate or something like that, then as a system we have to streamline each and everything, we have to recommend each and everything, and that will create a turbulence in the system. Definitely it is brilliant, this DIY system is brilliant, but this human brilliance, if we are not keep a boundary on that brilliance, then it became a recklessness. So these are the few points what I put it down.